Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. I'm a chemistry education student at the Islamic University of Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta. In this video, I will present my paper entitled Jigsaw Infused Tic-Tac-Toe, a learning model to increase student concentration and conceptual understanding of chemistry. The background of the research includes first, the principle of 21st century learning is that instruction should be student-centered, where students solve problems individually and in groups, become active students in education and not passive users of information. Second, one of the challenges of 21st century teachers in creating compelling and innovative learning design. One is by collaborating learning model with learning media or packaging learning activities in learning games, so that learning is conducive and students remain focused and concentrate in education. Hence, student conceptual understanding is optimal. Third, the level of concentration affect learning outcomes. If students are entirely concentrated on learning, then their understanding of concept in education is also optimal. In reality, students find it challenging focus on the learning process and only rely on information crowd by educators. This is a severe problem whose impact is prolonged. For certainty will consult based on the result of a preliminary study in one of the high school in Prambanan on colloidal chemistry material, including the following. Point 1. The learning model for colloidal material is usually discover learning by asking students to make a paper and present. This model is considered less effective because the average learning outcome is only 65.7 of the minimum completeness criteria 75. Point 2. The discovery model is considered boring because students with above average academic abilities tend to be active and dominant. Point 3. According to students, the discovered learning model is monotonous and uninteresting, so students are reluctant to participate. As a result, student concentration and focus are different. Point 4. The need for more student involvement in the learning process is one of the causes of low student cognitive learning outcomes. 5. Colloidal material is applicable and many concepts must be remembered. Therefore, a learning model that is fun and involves students a lot is needed so that students retain more concepts so that the learning process can be said to be meaningful. Based on the explanation of the problem to achieve the expected learning outcomes, it is necessary to vary the use of learning models and media to create learning conditions that allow students to remain concentrated, effective, active, student-centered, and fun. One of the cooperative learning models that can be a solution to this problem is the application of the jigsaw-type collaborative model. In contrast, one type of fun learning media is the tic-tac-toe game. According to Slavin, the jigsaw learning model is a group learning process where each member contributes information, experience, ideas, attitudes, opinions, abilities, and skills to join improve each other's understanding of members to enhance learning outcomes. At the same time, the tic-tac-toe game trains students in playing strategies, multi-cognition, concentration, social skills, and participants in active learning. The jigsaw learning model and the tic-tac-toe game will be fun if combined in one learning activity. To fill the gap in previous research, this study aimed to determine the effect of the jigsaw learning model assessed by the tic-tac-toe game on student concentration and concept understanding. This quasi-experimental study used pre-test and post-test non-equivalent control group design. Grade 11 students from Turic Science class at one of the high school in Prambanan were identified as the population in this study, and two of them were selected as a sample, one as the control group and one as the experimental group, using cluster random sampling technique. While applying the tic-tac-toe game integrated with the jigsaw learning model is independent variable. The dependent variable, namely learning concentration, was measured by questionnaire, and the conceptual understanding of colloidal materials was analyzed using multiple choice tests. All collect data were analyzed using statistical analysis, man-Whitney test for questionnaire and test data. The result of the research that has been carried also some findings as follow. 1. Result of student learning concentration. Hypothesis testing show that significancy to tilde 0.002 less than 0.05 mean H null is reject and H is accept. This means that the jigsaw learning model assisted by tic-tac-toe game effectively improves student learning concentration. 2. Result of student concept understanding. Significancy to tilde 0.003 is less than 0.05, which indicate that the jigsaw learning model insert with the tic-tac-toe game affect student concept understanding. The eigenvalue in experimental class 0.480 with moderate criteria, and the eigenvalue in the control class is 0.126 with low standards, indicating that the jigsaw learning model assessed by tic-tac-toe game affects student understanding of colloidal material. Student learning concentration on colloidal material in crosstalk applying the jigsaw model assessed by the tic-tac-toe game. This is because the game-based learning model can change teacher-centered learning to student-centered. According to constructivism theory, education will be more meaningful if students are more involved in building their knowledge. The jigsaw learning model in this study can make students more active during the learning process. This learning model requires students to have individual and group responsibilities due to the existence of expert group and group of origin. The discussion will be safer and conducive because students from the specialist group will later explain the part they discuss to the origin group. Students will learn how to work together, take turns, share material, and correct each other's mistakes during playing. The teacher should play an essential role as a facilitator and always guide at the right time and situation. Therefore, using games in learning does not mean students can play without direction and supervision. Play is vital in education because they will learn a lot. Based on the research, applying the cooperative learning model using tic-tac-toe game significantly improves student concentration and concept understanding. The researcher also suggests using the jigsaw model assessed by the tic-tac-toe game in learning, provided that the teacher can ensure that the class remains calm during the game. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.